Hello friend, today we are going to see how we can run our Python code in VS Code. For that, first you have to download VS Code. For that, you have to search VS Code download and hit enter. And after enter, just go to the first link and here you select your Windows or Mac, any machine that you have, and enter. It will start downloading after that, and after downloading this file you have to just install with the help of next. Okay, and then we have to download Python. For that you have to search Python download and hit enter. Just go to the first link and after that just click on download, and you have to download this and just install this with the help of just double click on it. Just double click on it, modify, just click next, then just click for install for all user and then install it. I already installed, that's why I just quit it. Okay, after that just open your VS Code and open any folder you want or create, and after that just create a file, name it I name it as test.py and hitting enter. After entering this, you have to download an extension, name is Python, and hit enter and install it. And after installation this, you can run your Python code. Okay. After installation of Python extension, now we can run our Python code. Print bracket, then hello world. Now run with the help of, now first save and run with this button. You can see hello, not hello. Save this and run. You can see hello world is printed. We can do this other thing like print 200 into 34. Now let's save this and run with this play button. You can see our output is printed and hello world is again printed. So that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, share with your friend, and bye bye.